In today's video, we turn this 2x4 this candy corn. All right, we took one 22-inch 2x4 and cut it into these 5-inch candy corn. They'll make great decoration for this time of year. Put them on a shelf, put them by a pumpkin, a turkey, a fall leaves, whatever you guys think. It was very simple. I think the whole process, even the painting part, took about 25 minutes all in. So join me today on this quick, easy video. Make some candy corn. Let's go. Okay, now that we've got our 2x4 ready, we're gonna go ahead and start marking out where we're gonna cut our candy corn. So as you know, 2x4s are not 2x4. This one is not even 3.5 inches, which is a little nuts, but that's okay. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna find a center line. So I did go ahead and go 1 3/4. So I'll find that on my square. And then I'm gonna draw a line all the way up the middle. And that'll give me close to a middle point as I can, if you can see that. And then the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and make these candy corn 5 inches tall. So we'll mark that on our square. We'll draw a line. Okay, so we've got a 5-inch block right there, and then we'll make our triangles for the candy corn. So now that we've got our close to center line, we'll put our pencil in the middle, and then we'll take our square, roll it down to the edge of the corner on both sides. Okay, and now it's gonna look something like that. And then we're gonna repeat that. We can get at least 3 pieces of candy corn. But the candy corn we're making today is not gonna be big. It's gonna be something nice, small for a, one of your shelves that you decorate. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this along this line. But what we need to do is, I'm gonna go ahead and make 3 sections or 3 different candy corn before we actually go to the miter saw to cut this out. So we're gonna cut it out on the miter saw. We're gonna use the bandsaw, and then I'll use we'll put it on the sander to try to make it as smooth or as straight as possible. And then we can paint. This is gonna be a fast and easy one. Let's go. All right, now we've got all 4 of our candy corn cut. I added a long screw so that I can hold it, spin it while I paint, and then ideally, I cut out notches in this that I could set it right there and let it dry. So we're gonna set them here once they're done. A couple things. I know I mentioned in the last video, I've got my garage door open. I've got a really big fan blowing through. Ideally, it's gonna take all of the paint spray out. Please make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. So candy corn is white, orange, yellow. Yellow on the bottom. So we're gonna work our way up. We're gonna do yellow, then we'll do orange, and then we'll do white. All right, guys, I told you it was gonna be a quick and easy video today. We made 4 5-inch pieces of candy corn out of 2x4, sanded smooth, painted awesome. Got this really cool layered look to it. No tape needed. This was super fun. They look so good, honestly. I contemplated taking a bite out of one, but I think I'll just head to the store to get some real candy corn. This is gonna look super cool on a couple shelves that we have inside. I can't wait to make something else for you guys. Leave me a comment below on something you'd like us to build. Until next time, let's go.